What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to this new episode of Restorations with Vic. What I have for you guys today are these Air Jordan 12 Flu Game beaters. This shoe is completely trashed inside and out. We're gonna go in using our 3-brush advanced alarm system and our detergent with all 3 brushes and solution to get this shoe looking right. Once the cleaning is all done, we're gonna go in, remove all the scuffs and scratches all over the leather, repaint the red and black, remove the creases of the toe box, and get this shoe looking brand new. We got some work, so let's get started. The first step we're going to do is put this shoe to the side for before and after purposes. Next, you're going to want to take out our shoelaces and insole. All good to go with that, prep's good. Let's go ahead and grab our Reshoevn8r adjustable Reshoevn8r shoe tree and insert it in the shoe and adjust the size. I think I said Reshoevn8r like 3 times. Shoe tree's in. Now let's grab our bowl of water, our bottle of solution, and squirt 2 squirts. Now for the fun stuff, let's grab our soft bristle brush and start hammering the uppers on this shoe. I know, right? I've seen the commercial.
I know about the little cinnamon guy in the Apple Jacks commercial.
What does he say something?
You ever seen them? Yeah, he says, "Here I come, I am cinnamon."
Here I come, I am cinnamon.
Okay, uppers look really good just by using the soft bristle brush. Now let's go ahead and take out our shoe tree so we can move on to the insides of this shoe. On to the next brush. We'll be using our medium bristle brush to take care of these midsoles and any stains left on the uppers. Now for the last brush we'll be using is our stiff bristle to clean up these soles and complete the pre-treatment. This shoe's good to go, you guys. Before we put it inside the sneaker laundry bag and put them in the washing machine, we gotta do one more thing. Pre-treat these shoelaces. We'll put them inside a collapsible bowl with the leftover water and solution. To the laundry room. Time for the washing machine, you guys. Let's go ahead and put the shoe inside. Grab our Reshoevn8r sneaker laundry detergent and squeeze 1 full ounce with bubbles. As always guys, whenever you're washing a pair of shoes in the washing machine, you're gonna wanna use cold water with the regular cycle. We are back, YouTube. We got the shoe at the washing machine. It's fully dried and clean. Got it fully disinfected inside and out thanks to our 3-brush advanced state alarm system and our detergent. The shoe trees even got rid of the creasing on the toe box. So moving on with this restoration, we gotta do some prep work. We'll be using some sandpaper to get rid of all the deep scratches all around the leather. We'll start off with 600 grit and then work our way up to 1500 grit. As you can see guys, it's a pretty deep scratch in this area. We're working on tumble leather, so if I sand down too much, this area is gonna be super smooth, and when I go and paint it, it's gonna look super off compared to the rest of the tumble leather. So I gotta make sure not overdo the sanding on this area. Prep is good to go. Before we start taping, I do wanna point out one thing. The leather and the midsole are 2 different reds, so those are 2 different mixes. We're gonna start off with the leather first, so we're gonna tape off everything around it. All taped up, let's lay down our first red. For this red, I used red, autumn red, a little bit of magenta, and a little bit of scarlet red. I'll be laying it down with my angular brush. First color's laid down, looks really good. Now let's move on to the second red. For the second red, I use the exact same colors as the first red, but I added more magenta and scarlet red. It's laid down with an angular brush, but no tape. Red areas are looking great. Now let's finish off this paint job by laying down the black paint using an angular brush. Black, both shades of red are laid down. It's good to go. Now to protect this paint job from cracking or peeling, we gotta go outside and spray it with some Krylon matte finish. that's gonna be it on this full restoration, these 2016 Air Jordan Flu games. Let's go ahead and break down exactly what I did to bring the shoe back to life. We used all 3 brushes, our soft, medium, and stiff, to clean the shoe up, along with our solution from our 3-brush advanced leak alarm system. Once that was good to go with the pre-treatment, put them inside the sneaker laundry bag, put them in the washing machine along with our sneaker laundry detergent, and got the shoe fully cleaned up and disinfected inside and out. Once the cleaning process was all done, we went straight into prep work. We used a sandpaper method to get rid of all the deep scratches all around the leather. We used acetone and cotton balls to get rid of the factory finish. Once the prep work was all done, we custom mixed 2 tones of red. Then we laid down the reds, laid down the black, and protected it all using some Krylon matte finish. Took some work, but the shoe turned out really good. You can find all the stuff you see right here at Reshoevn8r.com. Use my promo code in the description below. You guys, we're so close to 1 million subscribers, I can almost taste it. Make sure you guys subscribe. This is Vick. I'll see you guys next Monday.
I like it.
Cool, man.
Alright, tell me what we're gonna do.
Hey guys, we're about to put this shit in the washer.
God.
As always, guys, when you can you hear that?
Yeah. Can you tell me quiet for a sec?
Can you guys keep it down for like 5 seconds?
That's not, I can hear that.
A minute. Hey.